This is Cat S53 and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app, then find and enter the Apps and Notifications category. In here, open the full list of apps that are installed on this phone, then pick the app you would like to clear the data for, go for the Storage and Cache section, and in here you have two options. You can either exclusively remove cache or clear all app and user data that it has by going for the clear storage and tapping at the OK option. And as you can see, both user data and cache were successfully erased. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.